Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then go to the SD card section here, tap on three dots and select Storage Settings. Then tap Format and confirm it. And after a few seconds, SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.